Right, okay, so final part. There are between 25 and 35 students in a class, and the ratio of boys to girls is 4 to 7. So how many students are in the class? Right, okay then. So, it's only worth 2 marks. It's not that ambiguous. It's not that big, right? First thing I'd do actually is add these two together. So 4 plus 7. That'll get me to 11. Right. So the total of this ratio is 11. So the total of the students in the class is going to be multiple of 11. So if I think about my 11 times table, I'll get 11, 22, and then 33. Then I'd get 44, but we've gone too high because it's between 25 and 35. So there's my answer, 33. It doesn't then ask me to split them into boys and girls, it just simply says how many students are in the class, so that's it, 33. Okay, so question 5, the sum of two numbers is 35. The second number is 4 times the first two numbers. Work out, sorry, right, so the sum of two numbers, so the sum is add them together, so we'll think about that. So two numbers add together to give me 35. The second number is 4 times the first number. So whatever the first number is, the second number is 4 times that. So that's my ratio of 1 to 4. Okay, so the total then is 35. Actually, it just becomes a ratio question. So what I'd do then is I'd split 35, which is the sum of the two numbers, into the ratio of 1 to 4. So the first step, add these two together, which gives me 5. Second step is divide my quantity, or whatever I've got, divide that by this answer from part 2. So 35 shared by 5 gives me 7. So part 3 then, and this is what leads us to the answer, would be 7 times 1. So the first part is 7. So one of the numbers is 7, and then 7 times 4, which is 28. And there you go. So sum of two numbers, 35. So 7 plus 28, that'll still give me 25. Oh no, 35 even. So yeah, that's what the answer is. Excellent.